As soon as I learned in my own community that a woman was spat on for just simply going to get healthcare service, action was needed.
The Ontario government is taking major steps towards having a say where anti-abortion groups demonstrate. I'm Faiza Amin. A bill introduced today would forbid any form of anti-abortion activities from taking place where abortion services are provided.
The last 18 months to 2 years, the anti-choice rhetoric that we have experienced at Planned Parenthood has definitely been on the rise, including hate voicemails, things posted on our building, people protesting, if not in front of our building, then also in our area.
It's a bill Ontario's Attorney General says his office began drafting after hearing about the increased anti-abortion demonstrations at clinics and health centres across Ontario, including here in Toronto.
Women are being harassed, are being threatened, are being intimidated for just merely exercising their right to get healthcare services.
Safe access zones will automatically prohibit any anti-abortion activities from taking place between 50 to 150 meters around Ontario's 8 abortion clinics and places where the abortion pills get dispensed. Hospital facilities and health centers that provide abortion services can also apply to receive the same designation. Clinic staff and health professionals in this field would also receive safe active zones of 150 meters around their homes.
That would protect them against behavior that targets them.
Other provinces like BC, Quebec, Newfoundland have similar laws in place. And if this legislation is passed in Ontario, it becomes a law that's enforced by police with some steep repercussions for violators. First-time offenders would face up to $5,000 in fines and 6 months in jail.
Our organization is a pro-life organization.
But this bill has drawn criticism. The Campaign Life Coalition says this is an attempt by the government to silence pro-life groups.
There hasn't been an increase, not that we've heard of, and any alleged violence that they claim is going on should be dealt with accordingly on a case-by-case basis with the laws that already exist. I think it's unjust that the government should take away the charter rights of freedom of expression, freedom of assembly, and freedom of speech from a whole demographic of people.
There's also been criticism from the opposition. PC leader Patrick Brown, who says he's pro-choice, took to Twitter accusing the Wynne government of having an agenda.
That agenda is to reopen debates about divisive social issues. No one wants this. I don't want it.
Ensuring women's safety is not a divisive issue.
NACV's office says it doesn't expect this bill to have a meaningful impact on costs. Now, this bill will be heavily debated before members of the House vote on it. Faiza Amin, City News.